Yo, what is up guys, Cyan here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'm showing you guys the top 5 best modded crew colors in GTA 5 Online. Now if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. I do post weekly money methods, modded outfits, and GTA 5 glitches, and I also do go live with subscribers. So if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing with notifications on to never miss a future video. Now before the video does start, make sure to go ahead and comment which one was your favorite modded crew color out of these top 5, and now let's get into the video. Now if you don't know how to change your crew color in GTA 5 Online, all you want to do is head over to the description of this video, and I already have a video made on how to change your crew color. Go watch that video, and once you know how to change your crew color, come back to this video to get these modded crew colors in GTA 5 Online. Now the first modded crew color I'm going to be showing you is going to be the purple modded crew color. Now a lot of people have been asking me like multiple of my videos, commenting in the comments like how to get this modded purple and all that. So basically I'm going to be putting it first and showing you guys on how to get it. Now you can do two ways on how to get this modded crew color. The first way, you can go ahead and make your own crew and put the hex code you see up on the screen, or you can go ahead and join my new crew that I made. This is my third crew because a lot of people have been asking how can I get into your crew and all that. So I'm gonna end up making a third crew because my first and second crew are both full, so I end up making a third one. And then if you join the third crew, you get this dope modded purple right here, so you can go and pull onto your vehicles. So this is how you get the modded purple. Now if you do want to make it look a bit more better, you can go ahead and add a primary, not primary color, a pearlescent, and the pearlescent just makes it like add a, I would say, a second color to it. Now I always put ice white on my pearlescents, on my like modded crew colors and all that. It just makes it stand out a lot more. It makes it look a lot more brighter. But yeah, this is the modded purple right here, so you can get it two ways. As I said, you can get it by making your own crew and copying the hex code you see up on the screen, or you can just go ahead and join up on my third crew that I made like yesterday. So yeah, you can go ahead and join it that way, and here's a video of how the thing looks out in the sunlight. Now the next modded crew color I'm going to be showing you is going to be pretty much the same modded purple, but I'm going to show you guys on how to get a glossy slash I would say 3D paint. But yeah, so start off, come into resprays, come into your primary color, and go and put chrome on your primary color, and do the same exact thing for your secondary as well. So just come to your secondary and then put chrome on your secondary as well. Once you've done that, come over to your primary color. Once you're in your primary color, then go ahead and put the crew, and then you get this dope glossy slash 3D paint, I would say. But yeah, mostly glossy I would say. But yeah, now once you've done that, you're pretty much done. You just want to go and put the crew on your secondary as well. And after that, if you do want to make it look a little more better, you can go ahead and add a pearlescent. Now the pearlescents that you really can't see that much inside of Los Santos Customs, but once you do take the car out, you will see a big difference. But for me, I'm gonna go with an ultra blue as a pearlescent for me. Now as I said, for the pearlescent, you can go with any type of pearlescent. It's on you, whichever color you like. And this is how the color here looks out in the sunlight. Now keep in mind, these glossy colors right here, they always look best, I would say, out in the sunlight or like under like like light posts and all that. So yeah, now if you are doing this, like if you're trying to see this on the nighttime, I would say it's not gonna look the best. You will probably barely see it, but out in the sunlight you can see like that dope glossy effects you're seeing right now. So yeah, on to the next modded crew color. Now the second modded crew color I'm gonna be showing you is gonna be the cyan looking modded crew color. You see what I'm talking about once I put it on. So to start off, come over here to your resprays primary color and just go ahead and put on your crew color for your primary and secondary, right? And once you do that, you're pretty much done. Now if you always want to make it look a little more glossy, not glossy, but like a little more shinier, once you've like put on your crew for your primary and secondary, all you want to do is back out, come over to your primary colors, pearlescent right here, and keep on scrolling down until you find the ice white. Now the ice white just makes it look a lot more shinier, but if you don't like the ice white, as I said, you can go ahead and put on any other pearlescent you like. But for me, in my opinion, the ice white just makes it stand out a lot more because it looks a lot more shinier. So I'm gonna go and put that on, and this is how the car looks outside. Now if you want to go ahead and add a glossy slash 3D paint job on this modded crew color, to start off, all you want to do is head over to wherever you're modding your vehicles, come over to Respray's primary color and go ahead and put chrome on your primary color, and pretty much do the same exact thing for your secondary as well. So come over here, put your chrome on your secondary, there you go. Now once you've done that, all you want to do is back out, come into primary colors and come over here to your crew, and then all you want to do is go and put your crew and do the same exact thing for your secondary. So once you put the chrome on both your primary and secondary, then go put crew on your primary and secondary again, and once you've done that, you're pretty much done. You got this dope modded slash 3D paint job. Now also, if you do want to add the third color to this, you can go ahead and add a white pearlescent, or if you don't like the white pearlescent, you can go and add any other modded crew color. And this is how it looks like out in the nighttime. Now keep in mind, these glossy slash 3D paint jobs, they always look best at daytime. So if you're like doing this at nighttime, it may not look the best and you might not see the colors fully in nighttime. So yeah, on to the next modded crew color. Now the next modded color I'm going to be showing you is not going to be a modded crew color, but it's going to be more like a modded paint job. Alright, to start off, all you want to do is head over to wherever you're modding your vehicles. Once you're here, come into your resprays. Once you're here, come over to primary color and go ahead and put on a matte black. Alright, so go ahead and put on matte black and pretty much do the same thing on your secondary as well. So come over here and put on matte black for your secondary, just like that. Once you've done that, back out and come over to your primary color and just scroll down to Metallica. Once you're here, wait about for like 5 seconds, counting like Mississippi, so 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, until you get to 5. Once you've done that, back out all the way and come over to plates, put on any type of plate, then come back to resprays right here, and then once you've done that, come to pearlescent, and now you'll be able to go ahead and add a pearlescent on your matte colors just like this. So as I said, it's not a modded crew color, but it is a modded paint job. Well, not modded, yeah, I would say it's a modded paint job. But yeah, now you can pretty much go and add whatever pearlescent you like, but for me, I'm gonna go and add salmon pink because it goes nicely with the Sakura tree livery I have for this one right here. So yeah, it looks pretty nice in my opinion, but as I said, you can go and add any type of pearlescent you like, and you can also use any type of matte color you like. So this is how the modded paint job looks outside. Now the next modded crew color I'm going to be showing you on how to get is going to be the modded yellow. Now to start off, all you want to do is come over here to your resprays. So come over here, respray primary color, and go and put on the crew on your primary, and then pretty much do the same exact thing for your secondary as well. Once you've done that, you're pretty much done. Or if you want to make it look just a little more better, you can go ahead and add a pearlescent for your not secondary, your primary I meant. So you can go and add an ice white, makes the color stand out a lot more. Now this yellow also reminds me of like the Ferrari yellow. You guys know like they have like the red that all Ferraris have, and then you can also put the yellow. This is what this modded crew color here reminds me of. So this is how the vehicle looks outside. Now the last and final modded crew color I'm going to be showing you is going to be this modded green right here. Now let me just go and put on real quick, come over to there we go, crew color, and pretty much we are done. This is the final modded crew color, and in my opinion, I would rank this one here, you know, like there's the modded purple, that is my top favorite modded crew color in GTA 5 Online, and then there's this one right here, that's like right under second place. So yeah, and honestly this one also does go good with my hair in GTA 5 Online, with like the green hair and all that I have, like the Joker haircut and everything like that. It just goes perfectly with this one. This is why it's one of my favorites in GTA 5 Online as a modded crew color. And if you do want to make it look a lot more better, you can go ahead and add an ultra blue pearlescent, and this is how the modded crew color looks outside. It just looks amazing in my opinion. So if you are new to the channel and you did end up enjoying today's video, or ended up joining the crew, or doing any of these modded crew colors, I would greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button down below. It is free and you can always change your mind. I do post daily GTA 5 content such as weekly money methods, mod outfits, and GTA 5 glitches, and I also do go live. So if you do ever want to be in a future video, all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button down below and turn on notifications to never miss out on a future video. And time's on, sign out, peace.